My name is Klaas van der Veen and I'm a rock and water trainer.
My name is Harriet and my sign name is also Harriet.
So my name is Joyce Narja. Joji is my husband. I am a parent of many children, but one of them is deaf. But also, because of that deaf child, I led parents of deaf children to form the National Association of Parents of Deaf Children. Why? We want that deaf child to grow up like any other child, being included well in their families, in society. They become confident, they study and achieve.
This is the first time I was in Uganda. I was really wondering, I was very curious how it would be, because you never know if you haven't been there. But in Rock and Water we say, if you stand firm on the ground and you have a calm center, you can adapt everywhere in the world.
I'm humbled to be here on this workshop of Rock and Water. It is really an interesting workshop. We are learning a lot and we are gaining new skills.
And people were very eager to learn from us. And they learned a lot. And I learned a lot from them.
Then when you work physically with all those people and you bring all those games and activities and you see how they smile and how they have fun with each other, well, then I think Rock and Water is really a program which is non-verbal. So in day 2 and in day 3, I could easily talk much better with all the people who heard, but also with all the people who could not hear, who were deaf.
Kaboom!
Ka-ching!
Ka-ching!
Kaboom!
Ka-ching, ka-ching, kaboom!
Kaboom, kaboom, ka-ching!
Blah, 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 blah.
I am happy to attend a workshop of this kind for the first time in my life. And I feel I've gotten changed because I've known how to relax. Yes, I've been having a lot of stress, a lot of activities, a lot of programs outside, but now I know how to keep calm. Water and rock training, showing how you can exercise the body, how you can show them stop, how you can learn the samurai, the blowing game, keeping calm during stressful conditions within life. To the people outside, there are a lot of pressing issues, and I will see how I can always train them not to worry. I will always train them like those who are sad, those who are stressful. I will always train and see how they can as well be happy.
This workshop has enlightened me in very many things, because we have been teaching in primary schools, but many times we could not get the manuals for PE lessons.
But it has helped to tickle our minds that there are many ways through which we can deal with the issues related to discipline of students, for instance. In most cases, we rush to think that the best way to discipline the student is by either training. But in this training, we have been exposed to the best ways of dealing with behavior issues related to students.
And as a teacher of learners with special needs, in my school there, I discovered that my learners have different learning abilities and needs. And also I discovered that their pace in learning differs from each other.
So I'm so optimistic and so happy that this training is not going to leave us the same. The participants in this workshop have been deaf young people, and they are role models. You saw them being active, and I was so happy. I would listen to the discussions, to the reflections, and I really noted that the change that they have learned, the skill that they have learned, the rock skills, the water skills that are going to help them to become better role models.
The participants in the training, they were so hungry about knowledge. You saw them thinking, you saw them discussing sometimes, asking all those questions, being focused all day. They were very long days, and it was very heavy because we really switched fast from action to reflection to discussion and then back to action. So it's really a great job if you can focus like the participants did. And I'm sure they will bring a lot back to their houses, to their schools, and to their families.
I saw them being inspired to work together on a world in which we can live together in peace. Because it's not about where we don't look like each other, or it's not about how we are different from each other, but Rock and Water is also about where can we connect with each other.